What the heck is going on? Good morning. I just woke up, as you can tell. We are ready to go almost. I don't know what's going on here. But yeah, we're gonna go jet skiing today. We're really excited because none of us have done it. So this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be interesting. You know, I might get to push Vanessa in the water, like, you know, something out. But yeah, I just gotta get my makeup on, my hair. Peanut! The disrespect. Okay, so we were gonna go jet skiing, but you know, a lot of stuff happened, a lot of confusion. So now we are gonna just explore. Vanessa and Xavier are gonna go and do a jet ski thing, so that's gonna be exciting for them. But we kind of just decided, like, we're just gonna like chill. We're just gonna go check out this market or whatever and just enjoy our last day before the surgery. So alright, new whip.
Wait, it doesn't work. What the hell? Do I have to like pedal first? Wow, that's perfect, right?
Yeah. You know when there's like a bump or something?
I'm gonna make a left up there.
Okay. Oh shit, babe. What the fuck?
We were supposed to get to First Street. Okay. Pretty cool, right?
If I could see, I think it'd be better.
Should put the music on, right? Put the music on. I'm gonna put it on. It's terrible.
No.
Okay, it's kind of dope, right?
Okay, that place was just like okay, you know? Like, I feel like when you go somewhere and, you know, it's just like mediocre, it's like, bro, I could have just like ate at home, or I could have just like, I don't know, you know? Kind of feels like a waste, but it was still good. We got the ceviche, shrimp ceviche. What the fuck? We're trying to get to Walgreens. Gotta go this way? Or that way? Can you get through? Babe is limping over here in the new Givenchy slides that I got him. So we're gonna go to Walgreens and get a few band-aids so he can like bandage up his foot, and then yeah, so then we can like keep going with their day. His and hers. Mask on. Oh shit, it's cold as a mofo in here. Let's try to beat Look at him getting freaking. We're here for band-aids so that he can like make it through. And he's over here. First thing he grabs is chips. What it should be like Skin Flex. Okay, that's pretty much it for the day. We're gonna head back to the hotel and then we're just gonna chill for a little bit. I'm over it. I'm tired, as I probably previously stated. So that's it. I'll see you guys back at the hotel. Hello, vlog. I'm back at the hotel. Fit check. Okay, anyway, so I'm back at the hotel. I'm about to shower. We're supposed to shower with antibacterial dial soap, you know, where the incision is gonna be and everything like that. Make sure it's extra clean and crispy. I don't know why it would be crispy, but yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then tomorrow I think we're supposed to wash again with it. But yeah, I just want to have a chill night. They said to get plenty of rest, drink plenty of water, so that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm pretty nervous about tomorrow, but I'm also very excited. I know it's all gonna be worth it in the end. I mean, at least that's what they say, right? So just pray for me and let's hope for the best. Hi, Peanut. Peanut, say hi. Say hi. So yeah, today is Sunday, May 23rd. And I'm scheduled to have surgery tomorrow, Monday the 24th at 8:30 in the morning. So let's see how this goes.